Hello guys, I just want to say so DJI is gonna release a new action camera supposedly May 15. The reason why I'm saying that because they sent me an email and saying that I'll be the first one if I receive this email. It's kind of weird. So um, yeah, so this is the Hero 7 that I have here in my hand, and to be honest with you, a lot of people think it's a killer, a GoPro Hero 7 killer, but the price I would say, but I'm not gonna go ahead and say if it's killer or not, because to be honest with you, it's really hard to say something like that, especially when something is just came out and Hero 7 Black, it's already been out since what, September, October, something like that. So all this month, it's been software updates and they've been all the bugs has been fixed. And DJI noticing that every time with the new item with DJI, you're gonna expect the quality is gonna be great. But what I'm saying is the software and hardware is not always gonna be promised, especially when it first just came out of this in this product. And the reason why I'm saying that because like even my previous drones and even the Osmo Pocket that I had, it's the same thing. So when the first time I got it, everything was great, but the focus has issue. So the the focus need to be fixed, and there's little things that sometimes it will get overheat. But I didn't have that any issue with mine, but some people had it. And basically you're gonna be a beta tester and you're gonna go ahead and have this thing with you, and next thing you notice that you might have some issue with it, I'm sure. But DJI is always gonna fix it. And I think it's great that they all saying that, oh, it's gonna be how you call this, it's going to be um a killer price. The reason why I'm saying a killer price because when the Osmo Pocket came out around December, they were selling it for 350, and the Hero 7, it's around 380 or something like that, or almost 400. So I was correct on that. That GoPro actually lowered the price. When I got my Hero 7, I basically got it for almost $300, almost like 280, and I got a good deal on that one. That's around December, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be great for all of us, especially when all these vendors, they call this being a customer, because I mean this action camera ain't cheap. And yes, I've been waiting for DJI action camera for a long time now, since they even came out with the first Phantom. When I actually flown the first Phantom with a GoPro, and that was very interesting. Thinking about like only has like maybe 11 minutes flight time, and with a GoPro and a Phantom, it was pretty heavy, and you only got like few minutes flight time on that thing. But of course, technology evolved, and that's a good thing. And now we have this Hero 7, and for action camera, for waterproof, I mean, in different environment, I put this thing to salt water, to the swimming pool, fresh water. It can handle with this casing without no needing any extra, we call this, case for it. So this is a good thing about the Hero 7, and hopefully DJI do the same thing. Um, the Hero 7 has a GPS, and it has bunch of feature in it already, and it can shoot 4K 60. And I don't know about the new action camera. I don't really know about the spec or anything like that, but I already know DJI is gonna make a great action camera. What else am I gonna say? Yeah, so and you can see in this video that I got. I mean, the reason why I'm doing this because I actually have the Session 4 all the way to 5, to Hero 5, to Hero 6, to Hero 7, the Black Edition, you know. So for me, knowing GoPro, I would mind trying the DJI action camera. But like I said, guys, experiencing with DJI drones in the past and also all their products, that when they first came out, sometimes it's a little bit better when you wait because like there's gonna be a lot of things that need to be fixed. Like I always mention to you guys out there that when the Osmo Pocket came out, I said, is it a waterproof or water resistance? The reason why I'm saying that, if they're gonna compete with GoPro, especially being an action camera, that it can handle all this feature, like what action camera should have. I mean, for myself, I already have a Hero 7. What's the point for me to get rid of my Hero 7 and get a get a DJI action camera? See, this is the thing. And I think it's gonna be interesting and I can't wait. And hopefully it already has a Wi-Fi built into it already. I'm not saying it's gonna be competing with the GoPro, but I'm just saying, you know, the GoPro already has the Wi-Fi, already has a GPS. What else am I gonna say? I mean, it has all that stuff already in this little camera here, and I don't know what DJ is gonna have. It's, the most important thing that I would say that the focus needs to be at least fixed. You know, hopefully there's no mechanical focus or anything like that. I hope it's just internal focus, just like the GoPro, like action camera, because that's the only issue that I have also with my Osmo Pocket is the fact that I'm not sure if it's focus. I'm not sure if it's, so that's the thing that I'm saying here, and hopefully it's not. So anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.